Hi everyone, today I'm teaching you how to create a Facebook page and a Facebook group. If you would like to learn more and be guided through the process, you could join our Facebook group, Grow Your Business with Facebook and A to B Guide. Okay, so I'm going to use Rebecca Sarge's account here. She's an artist, so I'm going to use her as my guinea pig to show you how to create a Facebook business page. Let's go up here. We're on her profile. Go to these 9 dots here. They're called a waffle. So sometimes you'll have 3 lines. They're called a burger. The 9 dots are called a waffle. So we're going to go down. We're going to choose page. And here we are. We want to create our page name. So Rebecca's page name is Zoodles Freelance Artist. Her category will be, let's see what comes up for artists. Virtual arts, makeup, performance, arts and humanities. To be honest, I'm not really sure, so let's go with visual arts. I think that will be it, and we can double check that later. I know that Rebecca's going to have a very specific description which she hasn't given to me just yet, so I'll leave that at the moment, but you would normally fill this section out. Right, so now we just go ahead and create page. Once the page has been created, we want to come up here, wait for that to refresh, add a profile picture. I will let Rebecca do that, but I will add a cover photo. I've already got that ready. That's this one. I'll just wait for that to populate. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I already made sure that it was to the correct size for Facebook. I got the business name and the information centered simply because on Facebook, if you're using a mobile, quite a bit of the edge is cut off, and it's usually the center that you'll get the information, so you want it to be able to show up on all devices. So now that we've got that, I'm quite happy with that. Now we'll go ahead and save again. Okay, connect your Facebook page to WhatsApp. So I will leave that to Rebecca for now. I don't want to be getting into her personal information. Add a button to your page. So let's start with that. You always want a call to action button. In Rebecca's case, we will ask to join her Facebook group because we're now going to create a group for her. Does it have this option? No. So what we need to do is, for now, I will choose send message. So here you can see that you can personalize the questions, and these are a really good idea. You can add questions that you are frequently asked. So when you go onto a website, you've got those what are called FAQs, frequently asked questions. When you know what the frequently asked question is, you can go in and you can add these here. As I don't know what Rebecca's going to be asked, I will leave that blank for now, but of course you may already know what your frequently asked questions are, and you can go ahead and populate that. Now we want to create a Facebook group. Create a linked group. So here we go. Now I know that Rebecca's group is going to be called Oodles of Zoodles Art Fan Group. And she is going to have private but visible. This is the best option. This will allow everyone within your group to post privately without anybody else being notified on knowing what's going on, but it gives them that privacy. So someone can find the group because it's visible, but they can't see what's going on because it's private. They have to join the group to be able to see it. So let's go ahead and create. And now we want to put in a cover photo. Again, I have already got this ready. I'm going to upload. That's this one here. This is the artwork that Rebecca does. So fans of hers will be happy to see that. We just need Rebecca's profile, which I hope to have very soon. And then once you've created your group, I mean, this was really simple. I'm pretty sure you would agree with that. She can go ahead and use all of the information on the side. It's simply a case of just going in here, having a look. See, look, you've got this option, schedule posts. You can schedule a post so that it will appear in your group a week or 2 weeks in advance. So scheduling can be really time saving. You can include, all of the normal stuff. You can create a poll, add a picture, you can tag people from here. So that's it. It's that simple. Hang on, why have we not got this? Okay, I'm sorry, I forgot to click Save Changes. And there we go. Okay, so we also need to create a username. Once we've typed in our username, we go ahead and click Done. Now we can invite our friends or our fans to join our group. If at any time you need to edit your page, you simply move over to Edit Page Info and you can make the changes here. By clicking on Settings, you have complete control over your page and you can make any alterations that suit you. You also have the option to link your Instagram page, which will allow you to post on both platforms at the same time and schedule your posts. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and until next time, bye for now.